Shilajit is a sticky substance found primarily in the rocks of the Himalayas. It develops over centuries from the slow decomposition of plants. Shilajit is commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine. It's an effective and safe supplement that can have a positive effect on your overall health and well-being. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes problems with memory, behavior, and thinking. Drug treatments are available to improve the symptoms of Alzheimer's, but based on molecular composition of Shilajit, some researchers believe that it may prevent or slow down the condition. The primary component of Shilajit is an antioxidant known as fulvic acid. This powerful antioxidant contributes to the cognitive health by preventing the accumulation of tau protein. Tau proteins are an important part of your nervous system, but a build-up can trigger brain cell damage. Researchers think that the fulvic acid in the Shilajit may stop the abnormal build-up of the tau protein and reduce inflammation and potentially improve Alzheimer's symptoms. Testosterone is a primary male sex hormone, but some men have a lower level than others. Signs of low testosterone can include a low sex drive, hair loss, loss of muscle mass, fatigue, and increased body fat. In one clinical study of male volunteers between the ages of 45 and 55, half of the participants were given a placebo and half were given 250 milligrams of purified Shilajit twice a day. After 90 consecutive days, the study found that the participants who received the purified Shilajit had a significantly higher testosterone level when compared to the placebo group. Chronic fatigue syndrome is a long-term condition that causes extreme tiredness and fatigue. It can make it difficult to go to work or school, and simple everyday activities can prove challenging. Researchers think that Shilajit supplements may reduce symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome and restore energy levels. Chronic fatigue has been associated with mitochondrial dysfunction. This occurs when your cells don't produce enough energy. In a study from 2012, researchers gave lab rats Shilajit for 21 days and then induced chronic fatigue syndrome by forcing the rats to swim 15 minutes for 21 consecutive days. The results found that the Shilajit helped to reduce the effects of the chronic fatigue syndrome. They think that this was the result of the Shilajit helping to prevent the mitochondrial dysfunction. Based on these results, naturally boosting your body's mitochondrial function with Shilajit supplements may help to improve energy levels. Since Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid, a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, it may also protect against free radicals and cellular damage. As a result, the regular use may contribute to longevity, a slower aging process, and overall better health. A higher altitude can trigger a range of symptoms, including pulmonary edema, insomnia, lethargy or feeling tired and sluggish, body pain, dementia, and hypoxia. Altitude sickness can be triggered by low atmospheric pressure, cold temperatures, or high wind velocity. Researchers think that the Shilajit may help you to overcome the high altitude problems. The Shilajit contains fulvic acid and more than 84 minerals, so it offers numerous health benefits. It can function as an antioxidant to improve your body's immunity and memory, as an anti-inflammatory, an energy booster, and a diuretic to remove excess fluid from your body. Because of these benefits, it's thought to help counteract many of the associated symptoms of higher altitude sickness. Iron deficiency anemia can result from a low iron diet, blood loss, or an inability to absorb iron. The symptoms can include fatigue, weakness, cold hands and feet, headache, and irregular heartbeats. Shilajit supplements, however, may gradually increase your iron levels. A study divided 18 rats into 3 groups of 6. Researchers induced anemia in the second and third group. Rats in the third group received 500 milligrams of the Shilajit after 11 days. Researchers collected blood samples from all the groups on day 21. The results revealed that the rats in the third group had higher levels of hemoglobin and hematocrit and red blood cells when compared to rats in the second group. These are all vital components of your blood. Shilajit is also a safe supplement for male infertility. In one study, a group of 60 infertile men took Shilajit twice a day for 90 days after meals. At the end of the 90-day period, more than 60% of the participants showed an increase in total sperm count. More than 12% had an increase in sperm motility. Sperm motility refers to the ability of the sperm in a sample to move adequately, which is an important part of fertility. Shilajit as a dietary supplement may also improve heart health. Researchers tested the cardiac performance of Shilajit on lab rats. After receiving a pre-treatment, some of the rats were injected with isoproterenol, which induced heart injury. The study found that the rats that were given the Shilajit prior to the cardiac injury had fewer cardiac lesions. Don't take Shilajit if you have sickle cell anemia, hemochromatosis, which is too much iron in your blood, or thalassemia. It's possible to be allergic to this supplement. Stop taking it if you develop a rash or an increased heart rate or dizziness. The recommended dose of Shilajit is 300 to 500 milligrams per day.